Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by understanding limits and preparing your Android for the search. Airpods will not register in Apple Find My from Android devices. Your Android can only use Bluetooth to detect a connection and signal strength. Expect a practical Bluetooth range of about 30 feet or 10 meters indoors. You will see battery and connection status only when the Airpods are actively paired to your Android. If they are offline, your phone can only show the last detected Bluetooth presence. Enable Bluetooth and grant location permission for accurate scans on Android. Install a Bluetooth scanner app that shows device name and RSSI numbers like -30 dBm. Open the scanner and refresh while walking slowly towards stronger signal readings. Stop moving when the RSSI improves consistently to confirm direction. If an AirPod is connected to your phone, play audio to help locate it audibly. If audio cannot route, try pairing and unpairing to force a reconnect and test sound playback. If the AirPods are offline, review your phone for the last known Bluetooth connection time and location. Retrace your steps to that last seen spot and search common areas thoroughly. Look inside cushions, pockets, bags, and under furniture within a 3-foot radius where earbuds fall. If you suspect outdoors loss, inspect nearby grass and crevices while sweeping with a flashlight. Consider a Bluetooth tracker or tile for future prevention. Note that single AirPod replacement pricing from Apple is commonly around $9 each.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.